₹2.5 लाख के मेकअप में ऐसा क्या अलग होता है जो मे बी 80,000 के मेकअप में नहीं होता?
Remember, makeup makes us look older than what we are. Instagram की जो reels होती हैं, जो हमारे shoots होते हैं, they are all in a controlled environment, controlled lighting. We shortlist the best angles of the client. The moment you apply highlight on the skin, every little bump, even the tiniest of bump on your skin is going to show a lot more. How the client walks in, I just know what kind of makeup she's going to ask me. She's wearing heels, she's got perfectly manicured nails, she's carrying the it bag, her hair is perfectly blow dried, and I instantly know that she's a diva.
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट की इंडस्ट्री में देयर आर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हु आर चार्जिंग 2.5 लाख, देयर आर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हु आर चार्जिंग 80,000 एंड देयर आर इवन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जो 15-20 हज़ार में भी कर रहे हैं। पर मैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसके बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा सब क्यूरियस होते हैं कि ₹2.5 लाख के मेकअप में ऐसा क्या अलग होता है जो मे बी 80,000 के मेकअप में नहीं होता?
So जब एक ब्राइड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को बुक करती हैं, they are only thinking about the time they are going to spend on the chair, which is about 2 hours.
एग्जैक्टली।
But what they don't realize is they are just not paying for those 2 hours. They are paying me for the years I've given to this industry. Consistency in makeup, how well I work under pressure, working through the client's demands, timelines, deadlines, everything. So, what you actually pay for is the expertise and not just those 2 hours on the chair. Also, remember, people who come with experience, also their ability to understand कि इनकी आईज पे कैसा मेकअप करना है.
एग्जैक्टली।
If she has problem skin, how to deal with it. If she has textured skin, how to make the texture appear better and not enhanced. So stop thinking about what you're paying, but just think about what comes with that price tag.
सो वुड यू से एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट इज बेटर देन अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जो भी जैसे हम इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई मेकअप आर्टिस्ट देख रहे हैं और मुझे उसका मेकअप अच्छा लगा बट शी इज़ वेरी लेस एक्सपीरियंस्ड राइट नाउ, सो शुड आई गो विद एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और लेस एक्सपीरियंस्ड वन?
So if with, I'm not absolutely, I'm not saying that less experienced artists are any uh, less talented, not at all. However, यहाँ पर बात आ जाती है कि उस आर्टिस्ट के पेज पे कितनी कंसिस्टेंसी है. उन्होंने, like I see so many artists, I only see fair complexions on their page. Versatility ही नहीं है काम में. Now, if you're a deep skin girl, right, and if you're booking an artist who's just done fair skin brides, but that seasoned artist has done all kinds of complexion and also showcases on her Instagram, who do you think is going to do a better job
आई
with it?
थिंक जिसने ज़्यादा वर्सटाइल काम किया हो।
So with experience, what comes in is, like, I'll be very honest, I've done accident, or like girls who had serious accidents, broken nose. I've done severe cases of rosacea, eczema. It's just that I don't put them on my social media. And of course, that goes without saying, Khushi, that clients like this are not very comfortable,
या दे नॉट।
which is fair enough because I am somebody who also likes to respect my clients' privacy. So, of course, with my experience, I have also seen the worst of skin as well. And take care, a good artist, if you're doing makeup on porcelain skin who has big, beautiful eyes and nice lips, take care, given you can mess up that also. But do you really perform consistently over all skin types, all skin tones, making sure they don't turn gray? I mean, I do feel that a slightly seasoned artist
या
will definitely be able to perform better.
व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंसेस कि इंस्टाग्राम पे मेकअप किया हुआ बहुत अच्छा लगता है जो आर्टिस्ट डालते हैं रील्स एंड ऑल पिक्चर्स एंड ऑल, इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी। बट जब मैंने रियल लाइफ में मेकअप कराए हैं, आई डोंट लाइक इट, आई फील लाइक इट्स टू मच, आई फील लाइक मैं थोड़ा सा ओल्ड लग रही हूँ अपने एज के हिसाब से, आई फील लाइक माई आईज लुक डल, मतलब आई जो रियल में मेकअप दिख रहा है वैसा इंस्टाग्राम पे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा?
So, Khushi, first answering that you feel old. Remember, makeup makes us look older than what we are. In fact, that's one more reason why I like my personal style of makeup, and what I recommend also is lighter makeup, because I feel that just kind of enhances without aging you. Number two, Instagram की जो reels होती हैं, जो हमारे shoots होते हैं, they are all in a controlled environment, controlled lighting, we shoot like almost 3-4 hours of content, and we shortlist the best angles of the client. She looks, if her left profile is better, we're shooting everything from the left side. you know the moment she looks down from one side, the shimmer pops more. From one side, the shimmer's not showing more. We showcase actually the best moments in those Instagram reels. Now let's get real about one thing. uh, if you have texture on your skin, even the slightest of texture, it shows a lot more the moment you do makeup, right? Also, people like, the moment you apply highlight on the skin, every little bump, even the tiniest of bump on your skin, is going to show a lot more, right? So now here comes in the expertise of the artist, because what looks good on Instagram should look equally good when you are at an arm's length from a person.
Hmm. How would you convince a person, because hearing this you told me कि टेक्सचर ज़्यादा दिखेगा, मैं ओल्ड ज़्यादा दिखूंगी, तो आई वुड नॉट वांट टू डू गेट माय मेकअप डन, आई वुड रादर प्रेफर कि मैं जैसी दिख रही हूँ वैसी दिखूँ, आई पुट ऑन अ लिपस्टिक मे बी एन आईलाइनर एंड गो. सो हाउ वुड यू कन्विंस द पर्सन कि वो अपने इवेंट्स में फंक्शंस में उन्हें मेकअप कराना चाहिए इवन दो उनका टेक्सचर ज़्यादा दिखेगा या फ्लॉज दिखेंगे?
So the thing is that you can do the makeup without enhancing the texture. It's the same thing, like not applying the highlighter or that shimmer everywhere. Like I usually see artists go so crazy with that brush with the highlighter, And I'll be honest, we have a lot of pressure from clients also, because one of the primary things all clients are asking for is glowing skin, radiant skin, dewy skin. I mean, those are the primary words all clients are
Yeah,
using.
natural.
But at the same time, glowy and radiant is, the keywords from every client in today's time. So here, like doing the makeup the right way, using the right techniques for that person's face, skin. I don't apply the highlighter all the time. If I know if my client has texture on her cheeks, I completely skip it. Now that's where the seasoned artist comes in.
या अच्छा, आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वीडियोस जिसमें अपना पूरा प्रोसेस दिखाती हैं कि मेकअप जैसे कर रही होती है, एंड उसमें वन थिंग दैट आई हैव नोटिस्ड इज मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मेकअप करने के लिए बेस बहुत लाइट रखती हैं, एंड देन जब ब्लश ब्रॉन्जर सब लग जाता है तो थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन हो जाता है ब्राइडल में. तो क्या बेस लाइट रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है?
No, that really depends from person to person and skin also. Like when I look at you, like the first thing I'm always saying when I look at my client is what is her personality. When I look at you, you're cute. You get it? Too much makeup is going to ruin
एग्जैक्टली.
your face. आप जितना अपना makeup natural रखोगे,
बेटर
it
लगेगा.
it will look better on you. Now there are some girls who've got that whole, she's a
Vibe.
diva.
Yeah.
There's a vibe that when the girl walks in, you can see that aura and that thing. उनके ऊपर glamorous makeup भी अच्छा लगता है. So I really see person to person. You can't really be very, very, specific about it. Of course, these are things I've learned with my experience also. How the client walks in, I just know what kind of makeup she's going to ask me. She's wearing heels, she's got perfectly manicured nails, she's carrying the it bag, her hair is perfectly blow dried, and I instantly know that she's a diva.
So you judge the personality and then decide the makeup on it.
Absolutely. I do feel that you can instantly make out right from the very beginning what she will be liking. Now, if a girl walks in with sneakers, with a casual bag, wearing a
You know
t-shirt,
they want it toned down.
absolutely.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से, तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी, तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.